Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is invitation plus 4 messages. As I mentioned here, send an invitation to join your LinkedIn network. If the invitation is accepted, send messages, and these are the steps that will be applied. Let's utilize this action. You can create the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Now you're gonna choose the list of your prospects. You can either choose all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Click on Next. This is the invitation that will be sent. Then you must select the delay you want between the moment your prospect accepts your invitation and your first message. It's up to you to see what you prefer. Now you're gonna type your message. And then it's the same process. Select the delay you want between the messages and type your message, and don't forget to insert your variable. And here you go, your campaign is created.